Yo, sup, guys? I'm gonna be playing Subway Surfaces because I'm really bad. But yeah, I'm just gonna be I'm just gonna be like all funny today. But I haven't posted in a while. But I'm sorry. I haven't posted in a while, but today we're gonna be playing Subway Surfaces. Right now, you see, I'm gonna be playing Subway Surfaces. Let's just get these coins. Oh, I nearly hit myself. Let's just take this hoverboard. Oh, that nearly hit me. Oh, that's pretty shit. Let's just do that. Yeah, boys. Yeah, boys. This is a good part, bro. Yeah, but it's ain't bro. Yeah, boy. Oh, ow, that hurt me. But I don't want to get away. I'm really bad. Oh my god, ow. Yes, got that question box. Yes, boys. I'm just the best at this, bro, in my opinion. No! Oh my god, I'm so bad. Fucking coin, guys. Oh, bro. Yeah, I'm really bad. I'll tell you the high score after this round is. Oh, I just got a bit distracted of talking. Guys, you know I don't have a video editor. I'm gonna get one like soon. Probably think. Oh, I missed that. But it's yeah. So I'm gonna be getting. I don't have a video editor, so yeah, I just do normal posts on YouTube. Also subscribe to Diamond Bow Galaxy Gaming YouTube, because that's my second channel, and my third channel is oh my god, I just got distracted of talking again. But as you see, subscribe to my third channel, Bow and Nate's channel. Just search up all fishing adventures. I don't fucking care. Just search up one of them things. But yeah, just look at my subscriptions, because that's my other channels. But yeah, the other person start. And they both have 8 subscribers. I've got I got 0 subscribers. But adding them all up is 16 subs. So yeah, I mean yeah. So thank you for that. Because we need to earn money, so our goal is to hit 1K. But also subscribe to my friend's channel, the Sea Shark Gamer, because he's really good. He's got 60 subscribers, I must say. Oh, I just nearly got hurt. Oh my god, bro. The fuck, bro. I'm about to shit my pants. I'm actually not. I'm just saying that because I died. Oh my god, I just got hurt again. Oh, this is shit, bro. Oh my god, I'm just about to rage quit. Oh, not again. Oh my god, but luckily I didn't die. You know, I'm just silent because I can. But I just don't really know what to say. But yeah, I'm just going to be doing a face reveal on this channel soon. So yeah, I hope you like my face. In my opinion, I think it's ugly. But yeah, you can also see my face on the other my other two channels. Yeah. But I'm just going to look older because yeah, that was like a few months ago. Yeah. Oh. Sorry about that. Yeah. Okay, sorry about that distraction. Okay, I'm really bad. Okay, when I die, I'm gonna end the video because when I die, the video is gonna end. Okay. Okay, I've got it up to a high score now. Oh my god. No! Okay guys, I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you enjoy. Just look at this. Look at where I'm moving the thing. I'm at first because my high score is 146,376. So yeah, look, it's up here. It's up there. Yeah. Sorry about that. I'm stupid. Oh, I just collected an award. It's good. But yeah, guys, I'm going to end the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm going to be posting like every week or so. Yeah, probably every day, but I don't know because because the reason why I don't post much is because I don't know what to post. So in the comments you can suggest me doing something doing in Subway Surfers or Roblox. But yeah, I'll do anything in Roblox. But yeah. So guys, I might just end the video here. I hope you enjoy and stuff. But yeah, don't look at the ABC reading egg, the reading egg thingy, because yeah, I'm a child and we just do that piece of crap. But yeah, I gotta end the video here. So I hope you enjoy. Like and subscribe and press the notifications so you know when I'm posting, and comment down below for some suggestions and so you know when I'm so you tell me what to post, because right now I just don't know what to post. It's just really annoying. I ask my friends at school that they want me to, that they tell me what to post, but I don't. It's in a game that I don't know. But guys, I gotta go to my footy training. But yep, enjoy and peace.